Numb, depressed, disconnected, lost, confused, anxious. How to reroute doubt. The key of life. Life is all about the give and the receive. We all start off with the receive. We receive much of what we require at birth. The receive is symbolized by the negative polarity. Negative means denied. The give is symbolized by the positive polarity. Positive means placed. These dance partners show us the way of life, as all that lives gives and receives. So too, the physical, that which is born, cycles through birth and death, and the psychological, breathe, respirar, espíritu, spirit, cycles in and out. Our soul holds all, as well as the void, and our mind forgets so we can remember. Here's where we get to the turning on. Tune out your surroundings by breathing through your nose to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Feeling emotions, using our 5 senses to catch what we get to move out of us. Emotions means to move out. If we don't move them out, we hold in, creating resistance and turn off, clog up of our nervous system, our computer, our computational pathways. Let's go fishing. Here's where we catch and release. Again, the give and the receive, input, output. We catch our emotions by using our senses to feel for them, picking them up out of the water and observing them, appreciating what it is with our senses. Then we release it, let it go, move it out. This can be done via a blend of movement, pressure, and temperature, such as dancing. Now we're ready for body mapping. Again, the dance of give and receive serves us. Tune in and feel into where in your body you feel a concentration of temperature and or pressure, such as tension, contraction. Take note. This tool is best used before and after any interactions. You'll begin to observe at a new level and turn on your systems fully and freely. Your senses are your bridge to under, over, standing.